Hey, hello, namaste, vanakkam, sat shri akal. Today I'm going to discuss about code and code mixing. So, firstly, what is a code? The concept of a code in sociolinguistics is defined as a system that is used for communication purpose by speakers. The system can be a language, a dialect, a register or a style, that is your way of speaking a language. कहने का मतलब कि कोड सिर्फ एक लैंग्वेज नहीं है, बल्कि कोड का मतलब सारे डायलेक्ट, सारे रजिस्टर्स और जो स्पीकिंग स्टाइल है आपका वो भी कोड में इंक्लूड होता है. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कोड्स दैट आर यूज फॉर कम्युनिकेशन पर्पस: कोड मिक्सिंग एंड कोड स्विचिंग. नाउ first talk about code mixing. Code mixing is a linguistic process where speakers use different languages in their conversations. Words are borrowed from one or more language and these are inserted to the language that the speakers speak within a single conversation and without a change of a topic. कोड मिक्सिंग की सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि ये एक सेंटेंस के अंदर होता है, इंट्रा सेंटेंशियल होता है. ये कोड मिक्सिंग कैन बी ऑब्जर्व्ड एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स सच एज फोनोलॉजिकल लेवल, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल लेवल और लेक्सिकल लेवल. इन लेवल्स की बात मैं आगे करने वाली हूँ, तो देखिएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लव टू ईट जलेबी, माई मदर आस्क्ड मी टू वॉश कपड़े. तो इन बोथ दी सेंटेंसेस the sentence structure is of one language, that is English, and a word of another language, that is Hindi, is being inserted within the same sentence structure. So now let's talk about the characteristics of code mixing. The code mixing is possible in bilingual or multilingual environment only. एक ही लैंग्वेज के साथ तो आप कोड मिक्स नहीं कर सकते ना, आपको दो या दो से ज़्यादा लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए. It is a language contact phenomenon that doesn't reflect the grammars of both languages working simultaneously. ये एक तो कांटेक्ट में आने से होता है सबसे पहले, और दूसरी चीज़ कि जब आप कोड मिक्स कर रहे हो तो आप इस चीज़ पर ध्यान नहीं दोगे कि जिन दो लैंग्वेजेस को या जिन तीन लैंग्वेजेस को आप मिक्स कर रहे हो उन सब की ग्रामर के रूल्स एक साथ चलेंगे. यू कांट से किसी एक लैंग्वेज के रूल्स डोमिनेंट हो सकते हैं लेकिन सारे लैंग्वेजेस के ग्रामर के रूल एक साथ काम नहीं करेंगे. Words are borrowed from one language and adapt it in another language, and it is usually without the change of a topic. It often occurs within one sentence, and one word is spoken in source language and the rest of the sentence is spoken in dominant language. तो what is a source language? Source language को हम supra language भी कहते हैं, और this is the one from which the specific word is being taken. तो पिछले एग्जाम्पल में supra language या source language was हिंदी, एंड द डोमिनेंट लैंग्वेज जिसको हम बेस लैंग्वेज भी कहते हैं इज़ द वन विच इज़ यूज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन दिस सेंटेंस. तो पिछले सेंटेंस में द डोमिनेंट लैंग्वेज वॉज इंग्लिश. नाउ व्हाट आर द रीजंस फॉर कोड मिक्सिंग? टू कोड समवन एल्स. किसी ने एक बात कही, बिल्कुल आपको वैसी सुनानी है जाके, तो आप कोड मिक्स कर दोगे. टू एक्सप्रेस ग्रुप आइडेंटिटी बिकॉज ऑफ लेक्सिकल नीड. Sometimes it happens that you don't have an alternative word in the English language to use into your sentence, so there's a lexical need to use, so you code mix. To talk about a particular topic, repetition for clarification, to emphasize about something, to strengthen or soften a request or a command, clarifying the speech content for the audience, to exclude or include other people in a conversation, maybe due to nervousness, to make the conversation creative, interactive, or fun. It is also due to the habit or to complete a sentence. Due to informal settings that you are talking with your peers, then you code mix according to the trend in Bollywood and social media, and for convenience. Now, what are the types of code mixing? So there is a notable point is that there's only one type of code mixing, and that is intra-sentential code mixing, that is within a sentence. But there are different levels of it, and these levels are lexical level, morphological level, phonological level, prosodic level, fused lect, indirect code mixing, bilingual and multilingual code mixing, and hybrid level. So let's first talk about lexical level. So when a non-English speaker use local dialect due to lack of English equivalent words. So there's a lexical need and you are inserting a lexeme to your sentence. For example, I like halwa. He used to smoke a bidi. In both the sentences, I didn't have the alternative word for halwa and bidi, so I inserted the Hindi word in the English sentence structure. Some more examples are from the advertisements for the bahu and the saas. Show some chusti for kushti, a little bit of maska in your slice, and gori tera gaun bada nyara. Now the other is hybrid level, that is mixing two independent words of two languages. For example, fal fruit, tabla player, rail gadi. So here fal fruit are two independent words that I join together. Similarly, tabla and player, rail and gadi are independent words in themselves, but I join together to make a sense. This is hybrid level of code mixing. Now morphological level, that is at grammatical level, making plural of English words using inflection of local languages. For example, studento instead of students. The plural of student must be students, but I inserted my grammar, the grammar of my mother tongue, that is Hindi, so it is studento, teachero. Similarly, ratification. Now indirect code mixing, creating a special effect using word of two languages. For example, okay, so as it is clear by name that it is indirect code mixing, that somehow you will find it difficult to discover what is the mix here. So let's see to the examples. I believe in karma, lead to the path of the truth. So I could use deeds instead of karma in first sentence, but I inserted karma to make my sentence or the speech more creative. Similarly, lead to the path of the truth. I could easily use path. Instead of path, I could easily use path or the way, but I inserted path. Now, phonological level, that is at pronunciation level. For example, school instead of school, student instead of student, speaker instead of speaker. Now the other is prosodic level. So use of other language in the same manner of mother tongue. For example, he was a good teacher instead of was. Have you filled up the forum instead of form? So I inserted the pronunciations of my mother tongue. Fuse lect. Here blending is involved here, that is taking beginning of a word and ending of another to produce a new word. For example, work plus alcoholic, workaholic, Hindi plus English, Hinglish, Europe plus Asia, Eurasia. Some more examples I have: breakfast plus lunch, brunch, cricket plus yudh kshetra, which is a Hindi word, so krik kshetra, which means cricket ground. Now, the last and the final is bilingual and multilingual setting of code mixing. So, let's first talk about bilingual. Use of two languages in a single sentence. For example, Mera bag dena. Here I use two languages, Hindi and English. Give me my bolígrafo, that is pen. So, I am using English and Spanish, again two languages. Now, multilingual. Use of multiple languages in a single sentence. For example, मेरा इंटेंशन किसी भी मज़हब को हर्ट करना नहीं था. Here I used हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड उर्दू. मेरे ब्रदर को पेस्कादो बहुत लजीज लगती है. Here I used इंग्लिश, हिंदी, स्पेनिश एंड उर्दू. Pescado means fish in Spanish. So now these are the references, and thank you for being with me.